Shalom, Israel, giving all praise to Yahweh, by Shemi Al Shah, by Shem Kakadash, double honor to the elders of James, Master Choice, His word, truth, sincerity, wisdom, and freedom, and a life to do so. Salutations to Akim out there also doing the same. Um, Let this be a warning. This is going to be a little hard to watch, but you must know what goes on in Babylon. Okay, so I'm going to play a little bit of it. This is on YouTube, and we're just going to go from there. It's the Fair Use Act. Okay, and I'm not profiting off of this video. This is strictly education and edification for you Akim out there. Okay, um, this is just madness, man. This is madness. All right, so I'm gonna play a little bit of it. And you're gonna go from there. Oof, oof. Moment of silence, please. Like I said, brothers, that was gonna be hard to watch. Let's get straight into the scriptures, man. Condemn this place, man. 'Cause this shit is off as hell. Isaiah 3:9. So for Jerusalem is ruined and Judah is fallen. Yeah, Jerusalem is all the tribe. Judah is the head tribe, okay, which is the American Negroes. And y'all are fallen and ruined and destroyed as a people. As you can see by what that man said. Like he normalized it like it was very normal. As Judah has fallen in a desolate state because their tongue and their doings are against the Lord. And it's all in all caps, mean Yahweh. Their doings and their tongue is totally against the ways of the Heavenly Father. To provoke the eyes of his glory. That was a doing contrary to the Lord, a doing against the Lord. And that offended the Lord's eyes. Verse 9. The shew of their countenance doth witness against them. They declare their sin is Sodom, they hide it not. Right? Because back in the days used to have something called hiding in the closet. Okay, that man, I think he in the closet. And he was gay, he was a fruitcake. But now it's like you can't even speak like that. So they sin in Sodom, they hide it not. Woe unto the soul, for they rewarded evil unto themselves. I mean, the scriptures is plain and to the point. Okay, this is Jude 1:7. Even as Sodom and Gomorrah and the cities about them in like manner, giving themselves over to fornication and going after strange flesh, are set forth as an example, suffering vengeance of eternal fire. So Sodom and Gomorrah, which is two cities out of the five, and the cities about them, the three other cities, gave themselves under fornication and going after strange flesh. What is strange flesh? Man with man, woman with woman, men, women with dog, animals. Everything you see done in Babylon, aka Egypt, aka Sodom and Gomorrah. You see? And then the Lord said he set forth an example, suffering vengeance of eternal fire. Because this place is off, man. This is Leviticus. This Leviticus meaning the law, stemming from the word Levi or the priest. 18 Leviticus 18:22. Thou shalt not lie with mankind as with womankind. It is abomination. It is abomination. See? So what does abomination mean? A thing that causes disgust or hatred. Look at this: atrocity, disgrace, horror, obscenity, outrage, curse, torment, evil, a crime. What that man just said was a crime against God. Monstrosity, violation, bugbear, okay, anathema, bane, a feeling of hatred, loathing. So when the Lord sees this, he just in disgust. Leviticus 20:13. If a man lie, also lie with mankind, as he lied with a woman, both of them committeth an abomination, they shall surely be put to death, and their blood shall be upon them. I would have played the video again, but it's definitely hard to watch. And as you can see, how uncomfortable his wife is. She eating mighty fast. And a man had to hide his eyes. Why? Because the scriptures say eyes is the windows to the soul. So I don't know, man. I think our brothers should check this video out. It's a lot of like offness going on here. All right, but with that, till next time, shalom.